I hope you installed this browser, Chrome browser, and VS Code also. Okay, once you download this, then what you have to do, let's see. On desktop, what I'm doing, I'm just creating a new folder. Okay, just create a new folder. My folder name is code. Okay, let's open this folder now. And here on top, you will write CMD. So when you write this CMD command here, it will be open in command prompt like this. Okay, so this location open in command prompt. If you want to clear this unnecessary information, you can write here CLS. When you write CLS, it will be clear. Now, what I want, you have installed VS Code also, no? VS Code editor. So I will open this location, this folder location. What is my folder name? Code. So this location I will open in VS Code. So in order to open, I will write here code dot. Okay, and I will press enter. So this location will open in VS Code, right? And after that, what I will do, I'll create one index.html file. Okay, so if you want to start with HTML, you will write HTML template. So when you press this shift +1, means this exclamation sign will come. And if you will press tab, so automatically boiler template will come. So this is what boiler template. Okay, so here I'm typing title is what? JavaScript plus React, right? So see, okay, okay, VS Code shortcut. Suppose I want to print 10 paragraph with this is paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4. So how we can print? So if you want to write 10 paragraph, so what you will write? You will write P dot, okay, and curly braces. And inside the curly braces, what you will write? You will write this is a paragraph. But how many paragraph you want? You will mention first. Okay, and here you will write this is para, and I will write here what we have to write dollar. Okay, dollar will automatically convert replace by 123. Okay, so when you press this, automatically this emit will come. Okay, so when you press enter, it will it will it will create 10 paragraphs. Okay, this is para 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. See again how does it working actually. So first you have to mention which element you want to create. So I want to create paragraph. How many? 5. Okay. And you want content? Yes, I want content. Okay. So for example, content is what I'm writing hello. Okay. You want to print 1, 2, 3 as well. So I will write here dollar. So when I press enter, so it will print 5 times hello, right? Suppose I want to print heading. Okay, 5 heading I want to print, H1 heading. So H1 into 5. Okay, curly braces, and inside the curly braces, what I will print word. Okay, and do you want to print numbering as well? So enter dollar here. What it will print? Okay, it will print nothing. Why it is not printing nothing? Because I I have taken time. So that's why that image is not coming. So delete the last symbol and write the same symbol again. So this image will come. If this image abbreviation is coming means it will work. This shortcut will work. Suppose if I given the space and I press enter, so nothing will happen. So in this case, just delete the last letter and write that again and press enter. So it is printing what? 5 times word. Okay. So how to check the output? So in order to check the output, we have different ways. First way is you can go to your folder. Where is your folder? This folder code. And what is your file name? Index. Double click on this and you will get the output. This is the first way. What is the second way? Second way is go to the VS Code. Okay, just right click on this and you will see copy path. Just click on copy path Okay, and go to the browser and paste your path here. Paste. Okay, and press enter, and you will see the output. Okay, and another way is you should have one extension. Extension means you should have one live server extension. So right here in the extension section, you have to type live server. Okay, and this live server extension is coming. So it is already installed in my system. You should install this. Here you will see install button, but it is not coming. Once it will install, so when you right click on this code, you will see, okay, it's what it is saying, open with live server. So you have to click open with live server, and it will start your code. So which is the recommended way? So recommended way to check the output is you should start your code with live server. Means if you want to check the output, then try to use live server instead of other ways. Use this live server. Okay, so this is the better. This is the recommendable. Okay, okay. Next, suppose if you want to display table, if you want to write table data, so how you will do? So see, inside the table we have table row. So it is asking how many table row you want inside the table. This greater than symbol means inside the table. So I want table row. How many table row you want? 10. And inside the table row, inside each row, what we have? Table data. Okay, td, right? And I want TD how much? 5 TD. Means what I'm trying to say, try to see here. So table means this is what? One table. Okay, and inside the table, how many rows you want? How many rows? One row. Okay, two row and three rows. Okay, means it is what? Four rows actually. And how many columns? One column, two column, and three column. Means how many total columns are there? One, two, three, four. Four columns are there. So if you want to design this table, so what you need to write, which shortcut you will write in order to create this table? So we are learning what? VS Code emit, little bit we are learning. Okay, so what we will write? We will write table tag. Okay, inside the table tag, what do you want? I want tr. Tr represent what? Rows. This one row, two row, three row, four row. So we want how many rows? Four rows. Okay, and inside the row, okay, inside the row, how many column is there? One column, two column, three column, four column. So column we represent with td. So I want how many td? Four td, right? So this is how it works. And you want data, you want some data inside this column, inside each column. So you can write data. Okay, so how you will write data? Inside the curly braces. Okay, I will say data dash dollar. Dollar means it will replace by 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it will say data 1, data 2, data 3. So it will work like that. So this is how it will print the table. So here what will come is each column data 1. Okay, it will display what? Data 1. Okay, data 2, like that it will display. So let's see how does it work. How will it work actually? So here what I will write? I will write first table. I want to print table tag. Inside the table, what we want? We want table row. Okay, how many table row? I want four table row. Inside the table row, we should have column, means TD. How many TD you want? I want four TD. And do you want to write something inside each column? Yes, I want to write something. What do you want to write something? I want to write the data. Okay, I want to write data one, data two, like that. Okay, so this image is coming means this shortcut will come. So when you press enter, it will create table for you. Okay, so how many rows are there? See, this is one row. This is two row. Okay, TR means starting TR and ending TR, three rows and four rows. And each row consists of how many columns? Four columns. Okay, and inside the column, what is data? Data one, data two, like that it is coming. Okay, so let's take the output. So, okay, here the data is coming in this way, but it is not looking like a table. So if you want to visualize as a table, what you need to give? You will type here, you will type here border. Okay, you will say border is what? Border is 3. Okay, so when you say border is 3 and save it, don't forget to save, control S, right? And you can check the output now. So it is coming like a table. Okay, so this data is coming like a table, right? Okay, so this is how this shortcut works. Okay, now let's understand the basic things about HTML. Actually, I'm expecting that you guys already know a little bit about HTML, right? So this is what I'm expecting. If you don't know, let's see. If you will able to understand, then you can understand. Okay, so what is HTML? Define the structure and content of a web page. So HTML is what? For example, HTML is just an skeleton, a skeleton which design the web page, which design the structure of the web page. Okay, it design what? Structure of the web page. CSS means it it applies styles in that structure. Bootstrap means bootstrap means it is what? Provides pre-design. Okay, it has ready-made design. Okay, it has ready-made design component, and we can say responsive component for faster development. Responsive means, for example, if you have a website, that website is properly visible on laptop, and that same website is properly visible on mobile as well. So that's website will known as responsive website. And JavaScript. What is JavaScript? Add interactivity and dynamic behavior of web page. Okay, means if you want to add certain action on your web page, then what you will use? You will use JavaScript. JavaScript is used to add functionality on the web page, right? For example, when I click on dark mode, the entire screen convert into the dark, right? So this is what action. So this kind of action we can perform by the JavaScript. I hope you are understanding, guys. Okay, so dynamic type. So what is JavaScript? JavaScript dynamic type, synchronous and single threaded. So what does it mean? Dynamic type means types are checked. Dynamically type means types are checked and data type mismatch are spotted only at the runtime. So when you will write the code, when you are in development phase, when you are writing code, it will not give you any error. It will not display any error. Means type checking done at the time of run. When you will execute the code, at the time it will dynamically check the type. Okay, then asynchronous. Asynchronous means JavaScript engine executes code from top to bottom, line by line. Okay, so it will execute first this line, then this line, this line. Means line by line it will execute our code. Okay. In other words, it is synchronous. Synchronous means one after another. First finish this, then take this, and finish this and take this. Like this. Single threaded means JavaScript engine has only one call stack, so that it only can do one thing at a time. Okay, so single threaded means it is capable to do one thing at a time. It is capable to do one thing at a time. So this is not known as single threaded, right? Okay, JavaScript engine. So what is JavaScript engine? V8 is developed by Google Chrome. Okay, see, JavaScript engine. So what is JavaScript engine? So if we talk about Chrome, Google Chrome, so it use V8. Okay, V8 engine, which is developed by Google Chrome. Okay, so we have Spider Monkey is developed by Mozilla Firefox. So this is what JavaScript engine. Spider Monkey is also a JavaScript engine which execute JavaScripts. Okay, and then we have JavaScript core is Apple's engine for Safari. JavaScript core is what? Apple engine for Safari browser. Okay. After that we have Chakra. Chakra is what? Chakra is JavaScript engine. Okay, for what? For Internet Explorer explorers. Okay, so Internet Explorer use Chakra. So V8. Okay, and Spider Monkey, JavaScript core, and Chakra. These are what? Engine, JavaScript engine. Okay, so this is embedded in the browser itself. Okay, these engines embedded in the browser itself. So our browser, our Chrome browser can directly execute our JavaScript code because it has V8 engine. Which engine it has? V8 engine. And somebody asks you what, which engine, okay, execute JavaScript code in Mozilla Firefox. So what is the answer? Answer is Spider Monkey. Okay, then JavaScript code and Chakra. So I hope you are getting this. Okay, types of JavaScript. So, so we have internal JavaScript and external JavaScript. Internal JavaScript we write between the script tag. Okay, and this script tag we can write in head or body. Okay, page level JavaScript, or we call it page level JavaScript. This internal JavaScript is known as page level JavaScript. So for example, you have three pages, okay, of HTML, and inside one page you have some JavaScript code as well. Inside the HTML page you have some JavaScript code as well. So that code is page level. Page level means this JavaScript code will work on this page only. Okay, it will not work here, it will not work here. So what we can say, this is page level JavaScript. Okay, so when you write external JavaScript, means you will write JavaScript in separate file. Now you have three page three pages. So what you can do, you can link each page with your JavaScript. So this is what external JavaScript, right? This is what external JavaScript. Here this is what internal JavaScript that we write inside the HTML page. Okay, or we can say page level JavaScript. So external JavaScript, if you want to add external JavaScript, so you will create JavaScript file. Suppose the file name is abc.js JavaScript. Right. So how you will attach this file? You will attach this file with the help of script tag. So in src, you will write file name, location with file name abc.js, then script tag. Okay. Separate JS file needs to be included in HTML. Right. So this is how we include. Okay, so in the next video, I will tell you practically how we can use internal JavaScript and external JavaScript. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this.